When you sneeze, people have sympathy for you, but only to a point. I think the cutoff point is 3 sneezes. You sneeze more than 3 times, people start to hate you. Here's how it works. First time, Hachoo! Bless you. Are you okay? There's genuine sympathy. Second time, Hachoo! Bless you. Like, here we go again. It's an adventure. Third time, Hachoo! Bless you. I'm blessing you, but I'm also warning you. You sneeze one more time, and we're not friends anymore. Fourth time, Hachoo! What the fuck is wrong with you? Are you seriously sick? Then go back and sleep in your bed, you contagious dickhead.